So greetings, here we are, Claire, on a Thursday afternoon. You got Phoebe and Frisbee.
We both want the same bottle.
That's the best bottle. It's the best bottle of lamlac. And a little one. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. We got Claire here with our little ones. Of course, the daffodils are out looking beautiful.
Spring is here.
I know. Come on, little one.
Okay.
You were hungry a minute ago. It's too much. I can hear my mum. No, shall I take the bottle a minute, Claire? Meh. Frisbee.
Very well.
Frisbee.
No.
Frisbee. No. Chris, I can't see the bottle. It's behind you. Oh, there's always one.
One lamb at a time.
Yeah, one lamb at a time.
Oh. You done? Bit more?
Come on. So whatever you're doing today, I hope you're having a wonderful day. So little Phoebe there, because we're loving this lamlac. My sister's being silly. I know, she's been a silly little lamb. Come here. It's not going to happen.
No.
Oh, you drank well?
Is that nice?
Meh.
Good cow.
We wait in suspense. Nah. Anyway, for me and Claire, and oh, now you're going to take it. I got it, Chris. I got it. Chris, I love this. For me and Claire. We love you.
We love you all.